Meron akong tinatago, di ko lang maamin. Pagdating kasi sa'yo ako'y mahihain. Pero kahit anong oras mo ako tawagin, darating ako, sobrang lakas mo kasi sa'kin.
Meron akong tinatago, di ko lang maamin. Pagdating kasi sa'yo ako'y mahihain. Pero kahit anong oras mo ako tawagin, darating ako, sobrang lakas mo kasi sa'kin. Ewan ko kung paano ko pipit-pitin yung pagtingin ko, kasi kung hanggang tingin lang ay bitin. Ayoko rin naman to kim-kimin, kasi mukhang di ko pa rin to sa'yo kayang banggitin.
Hey girl, ako na lang ang iyong pansinin. Mamayang tanghali sama ka na sa'kin. Kahit araw-araw pa kitang i-date, kahit every minute, every hour, every day.
Di kita niloloko baby, wag ka nang
Education Day is a testament to your academic success and readiness to face future challenges ahead. You are the hope of our country. As Dr. Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And in your hands lies the building of a stable and prosperous Philippines. I will just focus on two words in today's message, inspirational message. One is respect, and the other one is lifelong learning.
beloved teachers, to our dear parents and guests, our completion is even more memorable because you have spent time and effort to ensure that we will have a meaningful ceremony. Thank you, dear teachers, for the knowledge you have given us, and thank you, dear parents, for working hard to give us a good education. We are happy that you are here because this is a milestone for us. And so, my dear parents, beloved teachers, honored guests, in behalf of the completing class, it is my pleasure to welcome you to witness this year's completion ceremony. May this day be a reminder to you that no dream is too lofty, no goal too distant, and no path too difficult when pursued with passion and determination. Fellow completers, I wish you all good luck for the coming years in our lives. May the years to come be kind to all of us, and may God and His wisdom bless us with success. Thank you very much. Once again, welcome and good morning.
Thank you, God, for your welcome. And now,
Parente na ito siya na dili siya makalampo kung saan siya ma-discourage nung mawalan siya o paglao magpadayon. But because kay nagpakatulol siya na kung saan siya na-commit niya ang success. Okay, number 1 is perspective. Number 2 is self-belief. Kung sa'yo self-belief. Oh, patuloy mo pag-believe na kaya na ako ni no matter what. Na kaya na ni sa uban, ako ba makaka? No? Kaya sa uban, kaya na ni ma'am. Diba? Oo, kaya sa na ako. If you believe you can, you're halfway there. Because you're already a completer of junior high school. Okay, number 3, guard your mind. No? Sama na security, secure ang iyong mind. Ayaw mo pagpasulod o negative sa inyong mind. Ang inyong ipasulod is only positive. Nung aron, diretso ang inyong patinan. No? Just as we watch what we eat, we must be careful of what we feed our minds. No? As I said, dapat positive lang ang sulod sa inyong mga una-una. Okay, first one, perspective. Second one, self-belief. Number 3, guard your mind. And number 4, everyone is unique. No? We are born unique. No, dili kayo yung bright siya ragyo'y makalampos. Dili kayo bright siya sa English, siya ragyo'y makalampos. No, we have multiple intelligences. No? Pwede na ako, gamito na ako pagkamaayon ko sayaw as my weapon. No? Pwede po, dahil-dahil na genre, inyong haiba. Because we are born unique. No? So, life will present challenges and we all encounter these layers.
From her. We will strive unceasingly to maintain her good name and uphold her best traditions and noble ideas for which we stand. This is our pledge to our alma mater. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Quincy Grace Bora, being a graduate of Agusan Colleges and High School, do hereby solemnly and consciously swear as member of the Agusan Colleges Incorporated High School Alumni Association. Preserve and defend its constitution and bylaws, adhere to and obey its rules and regulations, and those which may hereafter
Gusto ko nang sabihin na mahal pa kita, pero di ko magawa, di makasalita. Kaya pasensya na, pasensya na.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na